Hi, good morning to one and all. I am Gogala Vinod Reddy and I am from ECD section. Today my subject is engineering circuits and today my topic is basic cut matrix of a planar network. Entering to the topic, first of all definition. Definition for the connected graph. Where the graph is connected by the nodes of a circuit is called connected graph. Where the definition for it, a lumped network graph is said to be connected if there exists at least one path among the branches disgrading their orientation between any pairs of nodes. As a subgraph, the tree graph, the remaining graph of tree graph is called subgraph. A subgraph is a subset of original set of graph branches along with their corresponding nodes. And cut set, where the given the connected loop network graph, a set of its branches is said to be constituent a cut set if its removal separates the remaining portion of network into two parts. After the cut set, tree. A tree is a lumped network graph. An associated tree is any connected subgraph which is composed of all the nodes of the original connected graph but has no loops. If the given circuit is having some nodes and the nodes are attached or connected with this a line is called tree graph where the graph is opened. And the loop is a lumped network graph. A loop is any closed connected path among the graph branches for which each branch includes the traversed only once and each node encountered connected exactly to included branches. Theorem for the theorems, where a graph is a tree if and only if there exists exactly one path between any pair of its nodes. If the graph is a tree, if and only if exists one path between the pair of its nodes. Okay, here the taken one example for a tree and between the two nodes having the only single node. For every connected graph contains a tree. For every graph it contains a tree. If a tree has n nodes, it must have n minus 1 branches. If the tree has n nodes, means that the tree has n minus 1 branches. This is the formula for the finding the branches. Fundamental cut sets give an n node connected network graph and as associated tree. Each of n minus 1 fundamental cut set with respect to that tree is formed of one tree branches together with the minimal set of links such that removal of entire cut set of branches would separate the remaining portion of the graph into two parts. Is fundamental cut sets. And next, fundamental cut set matrix is written to Qij equals to where if branch j is in cut set I and has the same orientations and with regard to the closed surface define the cut set I has the tree branches associated with the cut set of I. If it's a Qij equals to 0 if the branch j is not in the cut set of I, where the Qij equals to plus 1. If another case, if the branch j is in cut set I and has the opposite orientation with regarding to the closed surface defining the cut set I as the tree branches associated with the cut set of I. This is the fundamental cases for the Qij to finding the Qij, where the two cases for the plus 1 and the 0 for the one case. If the 0 if branch j is not in the cut set of I. And the next, nodal incidence matrix. The fundamental cut set equation may be obtained as the approximately signed sum of the Kirchhoff currents law. Where the KCL nodes equation for the nodes in the tree. On either side of the corresponding tree branches, we may have always write Q equals to W, where the Q is the C and the W is the work done, where the A is the nodal incident matrix, where the A A or small a is the nodal incident matrix. And the next, loop incident matrix or KVL. KVL means Kirchhoff voltage law. We define the branches of voltage vectors. V. V means voltage. Voltage of B of T equals to voltage of T plus second voltage with respect to T, and so on with Vn, voltage of nth circuit and with respect to time. We may write the Kirchhoff voltage law loops equation convincingly in vector matrix form as BV. BV with respect to T equals 0 for all of T. Here the general case, take a circuit with V2 voltage and V1 voltage and V3 voltage. Remainder connected the Lampo network, means all circuits are connected in the series, where the V1 with respect to T minus V2 with respect to T and minus V3 with respect to T equals to 0, where for all T's, where this is Kirchhoff voltage law, where the current loop, remainder of the Lampo network, where the I1 current, and remainder of Lampo network, where the remainder of Lampo network, where the first I1 is going opposite to the I2 and the I2 is opposite to the I3, where the I1 and the I3 are same in direction, where given to that I1 of T minus I2 of T, where the I2 is opposite to the I1 and I3 plus I3 of T equals 0, where the Kirchhoff current law for all of T. And coming to next, to be obtain the cut set equation of an node of the B branches. To be obtain the cut set equation of an n nodes B branches connected to the Lampo network, we first write the Kirchhoff laws, where the QIB of T equals to 0, where potential of T equals to Q Vt, V, and voltage with respect to T equals to, the closed relation of this expression with A of IB of T equals to 0, V of VB of T equals to A Vn of T, where the IB of T equals to YB VB of T and the gamma B, where the YB equals to diagonals of YK, where the YK is defined as YK is defined as 0 if the kth branch contains an incident voltage sources, where the CKD if the kth branch contains the capacitance of voltage Kc, if 1 by Rk if the kth branch contains a resistance of value Rk, and the Yk equals to 1 by Lkd if the kth branch contains the incident of value Ik, as 0 if it's 0 it has two cases. If the kth branch contains an independent current source and an independent voltage source, it is 0. Yk value of it is 0 in the independence of current source and voltage sources. And the current voltage of T is specified to follow, where it is the I of T if the kth branch contains the independent voltage sources. If it is 0 if the kth branch contains the capacitance, if T is 0 if the kth branch contains a resistance or the capacitance, the value is 0. The Ik if the kth branch contains an incidence with the initial conditions Ik of T equals to Ik, where the Ik if the value of T Ik if the kth branch contains the incident current source specified by the time functions I of k, if it is 0 of Q of I, where the according to the Kirchhoff's laws, Q of T equals to Q of Y plus Q of T. Hence Q of YB Q of YB into Q of I into T equals to minus Q of I by T, where the potential with respect to B equals to Q with potential of T, where we obtain the cut set equation q of b q v1 of t equals to minus q of gamma t. And next example for the cut set matrix. Given an example, given a circuit by with the voltage of V and the resistance with R and the capacitance with C and the inductor with L and the current source with I with respect to T, and the given the C and L are capacitance and the inductor are taken parallel, where the IB of T, where the matrix is first one 0 0 and 0 0, where the rows are 5 rows and the columns of each 5, because of 1 2 3 4 5 components are there, and the nodes are there are nodes 1 2 3 4 and 4 nodes are present. And the next rows goes to 0 1 by r into 0 0 and 0, and third row all becomes 0, and the fourth row 0 zeros L by D 1 by LD of 0, and the last row 0 0 0 0 CD into y of into voltage of with respect to B plus I of t of 0. It consists of only one column and equals to 0, yields. Hence the fundamental cut set matrix is Q equals to 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and minus 1 gives the opposite sign or the opposite direction, where the second row goes to 0 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Yield of the cut set equation 1 by LD plus CD and 1 by LD plus CD 1 by LD plus CD, and the last column last row 1 by R plus 1 by C plus CD into voltage with respect to T and voltage 2 with respect to T. And in case of need only to solve, this is the formula for to need for the voltage function, voltage to be obtained very branches to be obtained by this formula. And this end. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for giving this opportunity to college. Thank you.